Hi guys, have you ever heard about a giant rock that looks like a girl hanging on a cliff? This famous place in North Sumatra has a legend behind it.
The story of Batu Gantung is a legend because it explains the origin of a famous rock formation called Batu Gantung. According to the story, a young woman named Suruni was forced to marry someone she did not love. Feeling hopeless, she ran toward a cliff near Lake Toba. As the ground cracked beneath her, she cried, "Parapat! Parapat!" which means get closer. Then the rocks closed around her, and part of her body remained visible on the cliff. People believe that this is how Batu Gantung was formed. The setting of this story is real. Batu Gantung is located near Lake Toba in Parapat, North Sumatra, and you can still see the rock that resembles a hanging person. The moral lesson of this legend is that we should communicate honestly with our family, respect each other's feeling, and never force someone to make an important life decision against their will. The story also includes supernatural elements. The earth suddenly split open, the rocks moved by themselves, and Journey became part of the cliff. These magical events are what make the story a legend rather than a historical fact.
Personally, I don't believe the story happened exactly as it is told because I don't think a person can really turn into stone. However, I believe the legend is meaningful because it teaches us important values and helps preserve Indonesian culture. The most interesting part for me is when the earth opens and the Suruni becomes the hanging stone. I don't have a younger siblings to tell this legend story, but I will tell my friends and my family about this story. And that's why Batu Gantung is a legend. What legend should I review next? And thank you for listening, guys!